I'm Amy from Doodle Dog Designs, and today I'm going to show you an easy way to give this new Easter grass an old aged primitive look. Let's get started. I've got this Easter grass. I really don't know what it's made of. It's just too vivid green for the look that I want right now. So I want it to look old and primitive. So I'm going to coffee dye it. So I've got a bowl of hot water here, and I'm going to use some instant coffee. Just put in a little bit and stir it around until it dissolves. Then I'm going to just take a little bit at a time of this Easter grass and dip it in. And pull it out. Separate it out after I pull it out. And then I've got a towel over here to set it on to dry. Just gonna dip the grass in. Let it soak up the dye for a little bit. I'll squeeze it out. Spread it out here a little bit. You can already see a big difference in the coloring of how that's going to look. Okay, now I'll let that dry overnight and we'll come back to it tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day and it is still fairly damp, so I'm going to pull it and separate it apart. And I've got a pan here I'm going to transfer it to, and then I'm going to put the pan outside in the sun so it can finish drying. I'll show you the beginning. You can see there's quite a bit of difference in how it looks. I set it outside for the day and it got completely dry. It's still got a few little bunches that are clumped together. I'm just going to pull those apart and it's ready to use in decorating. You can see here the original that I didn't dye versus what I did dye over here and how much difference there is in how it looks. I used some of this grass to display this punch needle bunny. I really like how this technique gives some of the grass a really dirty look and makes it look very aged. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Bye.